Hey, what's up guys? Spongie here. Survived the storm, thank God. It was one of the worst ones so far this season, that's for sure. But anyways, got my Timmies. I'm gonna have a little bit of video footage of the storm throughout this video to give you guys an idea. Check out this cool drift that was left on the back of my car here. Hold on one sec, I'll give you guys a looky-loo. Yeah, there it is there. This is the new Snowdrift body kit I purchased off of eBay there. Gives your car some more defined lines. Like, I mean, it's pretty well nicely molded down across where the trunk lid is there, and you can barely even see that rear spoiler anymore. Anyways, we're gonna go out for a rip. Show you some snowbanks and whatever else I can get into today. Yeah, I had Keith, the Bobcat guy, came down and did an awesome job. He flew his gear in from Brooks, Alberta, and he did an awesome job. So let's go out for a rip. And as Matt would say, it's a balmy -1 Celsius, but he would say 30 Fahrenheit. I guess that's what it is. 30 Fahrenheit today. Yeah, she's a warm one. As a kid growing up, the snowdrift right here used to be huge. Huge, I tell ya. I don't know if I can find some photos or not, because back then there was this thing called 3mm, or not 3mm, 35mm, and well, some of those pictures never really survived. So yeah, we got a good dumping of snow. The snow's pretty well level with the road now. So one more snowstorm, there's not going to be really anywhere to put the snow. Want to go aboard the ferry, folks? Yeah. Somehow doubt it'd be very long, I'd be getting kicked off. Yeah, ferry service is shut down for the winter. Understandable though, not too many beachgoers that go over to Prince Edward Island in the middle of the winter. But yeah, so if you can remember my last part of the video, maybe I'll put a thing in right about here. Yeah, good old Timmy's. Pretty sure my buddy Darren Sharon runs on the old Timmy's. He likes the old Timmys. Yeah, we got a bit of snow down. Just a little bit. Nothing serious yet though. Nothing too serious. Because when it gets too serious, this rotary is going to be nasty. You're not going to be able to see people coming. They haven't really thought that one out. It usually doesn't come into play when you're building something. What's it going to be like when we get some nor'easters? What's it going to be like? Well, you're going to be removing a lot of snow on those friggin' corners. That's what's going to be like. On the difference between the snow from when we got the storm. Like, if we get a couple more good snowstorms, like I mentioned in the first part of that other video, this rotary is going to be fun to navigate through. Hey Keith, is that you? Thanks for letting me by, Keith. Appreciate it, buddy. Drive safe back to Alberta. What's this guy doing? I guess there's a fucking three-way there. Three-way turn, you can turn there. Well guys, it's a balmy 10 degrees today. And while Keith was here or there last week clearing out the driveway, he stopped and gave me one of his YouTube decals. Check that out. Thanks a lot, Keith. Really appreciate that. I'll put the link down in the description below. But today, Spongie's gonna go clean off his car at the car wash. It's desperately needing a wash, that's for sure. And I've been fearing to do this for a while now, because over the winter, excuse me, over the winter, that decal there and one of the ones on the windshield started to lift. And I don't know if I should do this or not, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So to the wash we go.